Okay, so in our last video, we learned how to create our quote, and in this video, we'll show how to print the PDF. And so where we left off was we created our quote, and in the meantime, I have told the manager about that I'm ready for this quote to be approved, and once it has been approved by the manager, you can see that two new buttons have appeared. So we have review and PDF, but everything else is the same as last video. So essentially, if we want to review the quote, we can press review. And this shows a HTML representation of our quote. And as you can see, everything that we've added from last tutorial is here, such as the different lines and the different walls we have. And if you notice that the header and ship to and build to is all empty, and this is because of tutorial purposes, but if you were to do this, these should be filled in already, as those have to be filled in order to be to pass the approval process. But yeah, so let's go back, and once, let's say, we are happy with the review, we can press PDF. And it is important to note here that the PDF works really well in Edge, but may not work in Chrome. So if it's not working in Chrome, please open this up in Edge, in Microsoft Edge, and so then it should work. So I'm going to go ahead and press PDF, and it worked here. So as you can see, this is a PDF representation of our quotes here. And if we want to, let's say, download it, we can press the download button, or we can print the PDF here and save it the other way. But yeah, this is our quote. And the last thing to mention is that if we were to go back, and let's say we were to make more changes to this and submit it, and the version ID would be C, then we would lose the permissions to review and PDF. And that is because if you were to create a new version, that would have to go through the approval process, and the managers would have to give you approval again for you to see these two options. But it's also important to note that if you were to, let's say, just make a simple edit, so let's say I want to do the same thing as before, I want to just create a new panel. So as you can see, there's a new panel here, and I press save. You can still see that we have the review and PDF button, and that is because we have not committed to a new version and we have not submitted yet. We have only checked out and saved. So I hope this is helpful, and I hope you've learned how to review and PDF. And yeah, make sure to log out after every session.